Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mira and Rio English. I'm your host, Mira, your English coach and morning cheerleader.
And I'm Rio, your friendly student who wakes up at noon.
Perfect, because today we're talking about how to talk about your morning like a native speaker.
Oh no. Do we also have to wake up like a native speaker?
Not yet, one step at a time. Today, we'll focus on what to say, not what to do.
Good, because what I do in the morning is mostly nothing.
We'll fix that in English. So, Rio, tell me honestly, what time do you usually wake up?
Do I have to tell the truth?
Yes, the audience is listening.
Okay, around 8 a.m. on weekdays and maybe 10 a.m. on weekends.
That's not too bad. You can say, I usually wake up around 8, or I sleep in on weekends.
Sleep in. I love that phrase. Sounds like a hobby.
For many people, it is. But be careful. Sleep in means to wake up later than usual, not take a nap.
So if I sleep in every day, does that mean I'm very consistent?
Yes, consistently late.
Got it. I'll say I often sleep in, but I still work hard.
Perfect. That's a very natural way to sound like a native. You used often and but. Nice rhythm. All right, let's start your morning from the beginning. What's the first thing you do after you wake up?
I open my eyes and think about going back to sleep.
You can say, I wake up, but I don't get up. That's a great example of two similar but different verbs wake up and get up.
Oh, so wake up means eyes open. Get up means out of bed.
Exactly. For example, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:30.
That's me. Every day. I wake up at 8, but I get up at 9.
You're a professional snoozer. By the way, hit the snooze button is another fun phrase.
Oh, like when I press 5 more minutes.
Exactly. I hit the snooze button 3 times.
3? Try 5.
Then, after you finally get up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth and check my phone.
Great. But natives often say, I check my phone right after I wake up. It sounds natural and conversational.
Right after I wake up. Okay, I'll use that. What about wash face?
We say, wash my face and take a shower, not do a shower.
Got it. I take a shower. So I take a shower every day?
Yes. Or if you want to sound natural, I take a quick shower. It's common to add a time adjective like quick, cold, or long.
I take a long shower when I'm sad.
That's very honest English. Let's practice a mini morning sequence together, okay? Repeat after me, everyone listening too. I wake up.
I wake up.
I get up.
I get up.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
What does that mean?
It means to put on your clothes.
We don't say wear clothes when describing the action. We say get dressed.
So I get dressed in 5 minutes?
Exactly. You're learning fast. Now, my favorite part of the morning, breakfast. Rio, what do you usually have for breakfast?
Mmm, coffee. That's all.
Just coffee?
Yes. Sometimes 2 coffees.
That's not breakfast, that's survival.
I know. I'm a coffee person.
Okay, so you can say, I usually have coffee for breakfast, or I drink a cup of coffee every morning.
Got it. What about I don't eat breakfast?
Then say, I skip breakfast.
Skip. Like skipping class?
Yes, same idea. You skip breakfast when you don't eat it.
Okay. New sentence. I skip breakfast because I'm late every morning.
Perfect English, terrible habit.
Thanks, teacher.
Now, let's learn some food phrases you can use. Repeat after me. I have cereal with milk.
I have cereal with milk.
I eat toast and jam.
I eat toast and jam.
I fry an egg.
I fry an egg.
I make pancakes.
I make pancakes.
I grab a sandwich on my way to work.
I grab a sandwich. That sounds so casual.
Yes, that's how natives talk. They often use grab to mean take quickly. I grab a coffee, I grab breakfast, or let's grab lunch together.
So I can say, I grab my phone, I grab my keys, and I run.
Exactly. You're already running late in perfect English. Now, here's a short role play. I'll be the waiter, you'll be the customer.
Oh boy. Okay.
Good morning. What would you like for breakfast?
Hi. I'd like 1 coffee and maybe 1 more coffee?
I see, double caffeine. How about I'd like a cup of coffee and some toast, please?
Okay. I'd like a cup of coffee and some toast, please.
Perfect. Always add please. It sounds polite and native.
Yeah. If I forget please, I sound like a sleepy zombie.
Okay. After breakfast or after coffee number 2 for you, Rio, what do you usually do next?
I get ready for work. I mean, I try.
You can say, I get dressed and get ready for work. The phrase get ready is super common. Natives use it every day.
Get ready. Like prepare yourself, right?
Exactly. You can say, I get ready for school. I get ready for work. I get ready to go out.
Okay. So I get ready for work, but I forget my keys.
Real life English. That's great. And when you finally leave your house, how do you say it?
Uh, I go out from my house?
Almost. Natives say, I leave home. We don't say, go out from my house.
Got it. I leave home at 8. Simple and clean.
Perfect. And how do you go to work?
By bus.
So you can say, I go to work by bus, or more naturally, I take the bus to work.
Oh, take the bus. So it's not ride the bus.
Both are fine. Take the bus equals focus on the action. Common in daily talk. Ride the bus equals focus on the experience.
Got it. I take the bus every morning.
Yes. Or even smoother, I catch the bus at 8.
Catch the bus? Like running for it?
Exactly. That's when you're late. I catch the bus just in time.
That's my life story.
Okay, Rio, time for a mini challenge. I'll give you 5 short morning situations and you make a sentence in English. Ready?
Let's go.
You open your eyes at 7.
I wake up at 7.
Good. You leave the bed.
I get up.
Perfect. You go to the bathroom and
I brush my teeth.
nice pronunciation. You drink coffee before work.
I have coffee before work.
Excellent. You're late and run for the bus.
I catch the bus just in time.
Bravo! That's how you talk about your morning, fluently and naturally.
Can I get an A plus?
You get an A for almost awake.
I'll take it.
Okay, now let's make it personal. Tell us, Rio, what's one funny morning story you remember?
Oh, one time I woke up late, jumped out of bed, brushed my teeth, but with shaving cream.
No way.
Yes, I was half asleep. My mouth tasted like minty disaster.
You can say, I made a mistake because I was sleepy.
Yeah, that was the day I learned never trust mornings.
All right, everyone listening, what about you? Have you ever made a funny mistake in the morning? Think about it, then describe it using today's phrases.
Yeah, use I woke up late. I spilled my coffee. I missed the bus. Real English, real life.
Exactly. That's how you connect English with your daily life, not just grammar, but stories. Okay, Rio, let's review everything we learned today. Repeat after us. I wake up.
I wake up.
I get up.
I get up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I skip breakfast.
I skip breakfast.
I grab a coffee.
I grab a coffee.
I leave home.
I leave home.
I catch the bus.
I catch the bus.
Fantastic. Now try to put them together into one full paragraph.
Okay, here's mine. I wake up at 8, get up at 8:30, brush my teeth, take a quick shower, skip breakfast, grab a coffee, and catch the bus to work.
That's awesome. Clear, natural, and sounds just like a native.
Finally, my mornings have meaning and grammar.
Yes. Okay, great job today, everyone. Now you know how to talk about your morning routine in real English.
Even if your routine is chaos like mine.
That's okay. Language is about progress, not perfection. Keep practicing these phrases every day.
Yeah, talk to yourself in English while you brush your teeth. Just don't use shaving cream.
Wise advice. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and join us again.
Next time, we'll talk about your evening routine in English.
Yes, so get some rest and see you in the next episode of Mira and Rio English Podcast.